Maison bless his soul. Maison bless his soul. Me. 10% forgot my charger. I don't stress, I know I manage. Round the belly, see my barber. So sourcing, bro, I got it patent. Made a bang, I made another. All the one right there to balance. Wavy, Olsen glowed and now she charged up. Love the shit, I love the challenge. Babe try flex on me. None of these niggas can flex on me. Never see the stress on me. Starts to look like what I'm next. Probably gotta keep it best on me. Never let him take it all away from me. Cooking up the recipe. Now I feel it pumping in my chest. Olsen thinks she has a chance, but I'm vibing with my new.
Yo guys, yeah, I mean, I don't really know how to put this. Yeah, I mean, thank you for all the subscribers, all you new people. I know some of you are Gas Gang. I know some of you Hoodstig followers, Hoodstig Nation will say that. I just wanted to say welcome to the family. Thank you for joining the family. We're mgkg Nation. I still think of a better name for that, but I don't know. I can't think of it yet. But yeah, thanks for all the subscribers, guys. I mean, I literally, before like everything happened, I was on like 94 subscribers, and then yeah, thanks. Massive shout out to Jamie, massive shout out to Mudge for allowing me to feature on their channels, because it really helped my content, really motivated me, brought me all you lovely people, and yeah, I just can't thank them and you guys enough for actually giving me the time of day and watching my videos. So just wanted to say that before the video starts. Hoodie giveaway still happening. I know, like I just expected this when I reached 100. That's when it. So it's just getting finalized, and there will be a winner. I will announce it in a later video, but there will be a winner. So in the meantime, keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. And yeah, let's help me blow up, guys. Let's help us blow up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyway, love. Right then, mate.
How you doing, man?
Everything good?
Yeah, I'm good.
What have you brought me today then?
Brought you the A7, Audi A7, 3-litre V6.
Yep. And so these actually come supercharged from factory?
Yep, supercharged from factory. That's why I chose it, because you see a S7, RS7, they're nice, but they're turbocharged, you know what I mean? They have the supercharged whine that I want. I've always wanted that in a car, so. Yeah,
what's the driving experience like?
It's good, man. It's my first automatic I've ever had.
Yeah.
I've always been on manual.
What did you drive before?
I had a CLA 180, 1.6.
No problem.
So it was alright, but I did a lot of mods to it. If you see my Instagram, you'll see all the stuff on there.
I'll set the Instagram. You're smart plugging yourself.
That's it, plugging myself.
Final thoughts and everything.
I'm not gonna lie, I've never had a car this fast before in my life. So for me, this is like a massive change in it, a massive like thrill change. Yeah,
it's a bit different because not a lot of people, they don't have A7s, like not like this anyway.
That's what I'm saying. A lot of people have the diesel ones.
Yeah, the TDIs.
That's it.
So yeah, what have you done to it? What mods have you done?
So at the moment, I've done most of the aesthetic stuff. So like tinted the headlights. Did the grille. Done a muffler delete. So that's an exhaust thing I've done. Yeah, so just exterior wise, I haven't done any, this car's running stock, I haven't done any mods, no stage one yet, no stage one, no mods. Okay. Literally everything is stock.
What's your future plans for it then?
Everything, man.
Everything?
Yeah, everything.
Tune?
Yep, tune.
Already, is that booked in or is it just planned?
No, not booked in.
No, just planned?
Yeah, next year. Because at the moment, it's around Christmas time at the moment, so
okay, yeah, everyone's
save up.
Everyone's
you know
booked
what I mean?
up, yeah. I mean, that's it really. Enough talking about it. You want to get out in it?
Yeah, man.
Awesome, man. Let's go. Yo, guys, what's happening? Back with another banger. And today we're in an Audi A7 that's actually supercharged from factory, which is absolutely mental. So talk about like your overall ownership. Like, is mileage good? And you know, do you mind how old how old you are and everything?
I'm 22 years old.
Yeah. So what's a 22-year-old like having an Audi A7? What's that like?
Well, it is like, you got to spend a lot of money, I'm not gonna lie. Petrol. But do you know what, £60 for full tank, it's not that bad.
£60 for full?
Yeah, man. £60, it's only 65 litres, I think.
Okay, it's a bit of a smallish tank.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but the 3 litre does rip through.
So these are mostly diesels. That's what I've known them for.
Yeah.
But this one's actually petrol.
Petrol, yeah.
So is that what Audi call the TFSI?
TFSI, yeah. Okay. So there's a TDI, or BITDI.
Okay.
And then there's a TFSI, which is the petrol version.
Oh my God. Wow. It's kind of nimble, you know.
Yeah, it is. It's quattro, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's the quattro system. Yeah, it's quite nimble.
It's not wheel spinning or nothing. It's just straight.
So are these front wheel drive biased? Do you know? Are they
just full quattro, four wheel drive.
Well, okay, that's why it picks up.
That's it. Yeah.
Wow, it's so smooth. Okay, so yeah, I know we touched up on it earlier, but yeah, describe why an Audi A7. You know, like at 22. You know, there's loads of cars that you could have got an S3.
Yep.
Could have got like a Golf R, or you could have, you know, for the same sort of price, I'm guessing, right? So,
yeah, no, 100%. Yeah, so basically, I've always been looking for like a performance car to get.
Okay.
But then at the same time, I wanted to be a bit different. I didn't want to get like a car that, like, because I'm in Headturners UK, as you know, and a lot of the guys do have Golf R's, S3s, S3 Sportsback,
M3s,
do you know what I mean? M3s, M4s.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So a lot of people have these cars, and like, I was thinking, I want to get a car that's performance. It's nice. It's also practical because I want to keep this car for a long time.
Yeah, of course.
Like 5 years plus. That's what I want to. I want to find a car for that long. So yeah, man, I was just looking around, shopping around, and I've always wanted an A7. Ever since I've seen it when I was young.
Yeah, because I love the shape of these. Like, I really wanted one when I was, about 18. Yeah. But insurance is a bit high.
That's it.
But yeah, but yeah, it's just this car is really interesting to me. Man. Like super, the shape of it and how it looks and everything.
100. I got my car about a month and a half ago.
Okay, so it's fairly brand new, brand new ownership.
I've just been spending a lot of money basically, like in the past month.
Yeah.
Just getting it to look the way I wanted it to look, and then obviously the performance parts.
They're coming, they're rolling through.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be an adventure.
If you guys want to follow the journey of this car, I'll leave Jay's Instagram in the description so you can follow the journey of the car. Give this guy some love. He's such a safe guy.
Cheers, man. You're too, bro.
Safe my guy. Okay.
And at the time when I went to go and buy mine, there was only 22 in the whole country to buy. Yeah, A7 petrol. Yeah. And all of them were about 5-6 of them were like the like some of them were pre-facelift, but they're all like 95,000 miles, 101,000 miles. They were really high mileage. And they'll pre-facelift. I've always wanted the facelift version because I do like the lights, the way they're set up.
The daytime running lights and everything.
That's it.
Lights,
So my car was, when I saw it, it was the only pre-facelift one that was the cheapest one. Okay. Yeah, because there was other ones that were about 26 grand. Yeah, 25, 26. I was like, nah, I don't want to spend that much. Yeah. So yeah, like this one was the only one that was 32,000 miles.
Okay, that's really good.
Yeah, I was like, wow. Yeah. And I had no choice with the color, with the spec. All I wanted was just an S-line, of course. Yeah. The S-line shape. Yeah. And yeah, man, like petrol, supercharged. That's it. I just wanted the engine the most. Like that's what I really wanted because I wanted to have that.
You know that supercharged cars in general are really rare. Yeah. Like they're not, and not a lot of manufacturers now actually supercharge cars from factory. So that's why I really wanted to get this on the channel. Really interested. And as I said, I love the shape of these, man. And
that's what I'm saying.
General. And literally, I'm so comfortable in this car right now. Like, I feel like we're floating.
Bro, you got heated seats. I can snap that on for you right now, bro. That's it, bro.
Yeah, you got everything.
That's it, man.
Jeez. Just that super nice exhaust. There's a roundabout.
That's it.
Yeah. But yeah, man, I'm excited to drive this one.
Yeah, bro,
I'm super excited to drive this one. Yeah. This really picks up, man.
Yeah, it does, man. Fast. It glides, bro. It glides.
It picks up, man. Oh yeah, that pickup is. Oh, and these are the farts in there as well. That is so sick, man.
Bro, it's so good.
I literally just watch my speed just climb up, man.
It does. It does climb up very fast.
Jesus. And I've seen you put these
paddle shifters on.
Paddle shifters on. That's a nice touch. It picks up nicely for such a heavy car, man.
It does.
I think that's the supercharged aspect of it as well, right? Yeah, just instant torque, really. Oh yeah. That's nice, man. I can see why you chose it now.
Yeah, do you know what I mean?
I can see why you chose it now,
Yeah.
man. And it's just so comfortable to drive in here, man. It actually feels a bit double clutch. I'll tell you why, because it's really fast to change shift.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? To shift up, and like that pickup is.
It's quite in it. It's quite a fast reaction.
Yeah, it just responds, and it handles as well.
Yeah.
You can lean on it a little
Bro,
bit,
you can like put the foot down around the corner. I'm not gonna
lean
lie,
on it.
you could. It's one of those ones. Obviously, don't be too mad, but it's one of those ones.
Okay, well, I just looked at the speed on that.
Yeah, bro, that's what I'm saying.
What the?
That's what I'm saying.
This is a weapon, man.
One thing I do notice though, the steering wheel is not as lively as like a BMW.
Oh yeah,
you know what I mean?
Of course. But you see, the thing is with Audis is they're driver focused, but they're not as driver focused as a BMW.
100%. Yeah,
The BMW, they're crazy because you know you feel the road and everything, but they still have that comfort aspect in it. But Audi are good at what they do.
Yeah, their engines for me are just
engines. They're punchy.
Yeah.
And yeah, just in general, everything is just.
Do you know what I mean? I could have got one.
Yeah.
Because with this,
that's got a nice pickup, man.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But the same thing, like that's what I'm saying. I when I first saw this car, I was like, freely, I'm not gonna get insured of this.
Because you check your fuel.
Bro, listen.
Fill it up.
I fill this up. Oh.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Alright, man.
Yeah, man.
Cool, man. Thanks for letting me drive it.
No worries,
Thanks
man.
for coming on the channel.
Bro, I'm happy you came, man.
You wanna plug anything or?
Yeah, man. Just add my Instagram.
Yeah,
that's it.
I'll pop it down.
J
in the link.
Whipping.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Safe, guys. Thanks for coming, joining in with the video, and see you guys in the next one.
Never see the stress on me. Start to look like what I'm next. Probably gotta keep it best on me. Never let him take it all away from me. Cooking up the recipe. Now I feel it pumping in my chest. Just finessing one.